We're not in the city no more. We in the country right now. We in the country in Ohio. And you know, it's rare that I come out to the country. Sometimes I do it when I like go from city to city, from like Cincinnati to Columbus, Columbus to Cleveland, back and forth. And there's a lot of beautiful nature in Ohio in general, but I'm out in the country today and we're gonna just do a little quadding, a little riding, you know, kicking it. And it's really interesting because it's just it's so quiet out here. You can hear the birds. And not that I can't hear the birds in the city sometimes, but like sometimes it's just a lot of revving and noise and all kind of stuff like that. It's just like a little vlog. I'm gonna do a little quadding and yeah, we out here. I know you're gonna see them coming around in a minute. I'm trying to get on, but they won't let me on. They're gonna let me on in a minute, but they're about to be coming by me in a second. Hopefully the wind's not blowing too hard. You know, when it's out here in the country, it's just like a whole bunch of like hills and trees, so the wind blows a lot, you know what I'm saying? So you might hear like something else, something different, I don't know. You might hear a little bit of wind noise, I hope not. I'm trying to talk as loud as I can. I don't have the external mic on here, but they should be coming around any second now. This is really dope to just come out here and be on the quads and just kick it and have a good time. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to be flying pretty soon like them in a second. Come on, I'm the car guy. All right.
You want me to wait till you? Okay.
Now in front of me a little bit. Right there, yeah. Can you see the back though?
Yeah, now it's good.
All right.
It's clear.
Scoot over just a little bit right here. That looks like a lot of girls. That looks like a lot of girls. That's too many girls. That's too many girls.